What's your problem? You can pay rent of $1,000 per week, so you should be able to afford a mortgage repayment of $1,000 per week as well, right? Wrong. Well, at least in the bank's eyes. And that's because to just unlock lending, you need to have a deposit. And if you're overpaying on rent, it's pretty hard to get the deposit. And then on top of that, the bank doesn't just look at what the cost is today. They're going to add in buffers to make sure that you can afford it if interest rates go up. So right now the test rate is almost 7%, even though you might only get a 4.5% interest rate. Plus they factor in all your other expenses, as well as insurance rates and maintenance, which is what happens when you own a property. So my brutally honest advice, if you really want to buy a house, is to remove the ego when it comes to your living situation. Instead of trying to live in a nice house that you're renting, try and live in the cheapest one you can find that suits your bare basic needs. Whether that is flatting with flatmates or moving back home with your parents, because the more money you save, the faster you're going to get that deposit, the faster you can pay down debt. And then at the same time, it will motivate you to do those things faster, because you'll be in a pretty crappy situation if you still have to live with your parents or flat or live in a crappy rental property. And at the same time, focus on earning as much as you can, because that is what the banks use to figure out how much they will lend you, because it's usually a multiple of your income. 6 times your income is approximately what they'll lend you. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, there's plenty more in my free First Home Buyer Academy. Just click the link below and I will send it directly to you, and you'll have free access so you know how to buy your first home sooner, and I'll even teach you how to pay it off faster.